In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable audio recording on your Avalonix IP or PoE cameras you bought from CCTV Camera World. You can log into the web interface of the NVR or use Smart PSS to link to web to your system. Once you're logged in, go to Camera Settings and then go to Encode. And then here, under More, you'll be able to toggle audio recording. Most likely you have it turned off. Switch it on and set it to AAC for the best audio recording capabilities and at 16K. Hit OK. Do that for every camera channel you have and also for the Substream. So here, I'm going to do it also for the Substream right here. And then hit 16K, hit OK, and then hit Apply. You can also copy these settings over to the other channels by pressing Copy To and selecting either all channels, and it will copy over to all available channels you have connected to your NVR. And that's pretty much it. Now, when you connect to your system, you can actually go to Live View and be able to scroll over and click on the speaker icon and play back any audio that's being recorded. There you go. You can hear audio coming from the camera, and that's all you need to do to enable audio recording and audio on live streaming as well. Thanks for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.